Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we'll discuss what is the difference between internal tables and external tables in the Hive, and in which scenarios we'll go for internal and external. First, we'll see internal table. So, internal table syntax is create table, table name, and the columns, row format, delimited fields terminated by comma. Why terminated by comma means my CSV file, whatever I am mentioning here, based on which file we are creating table, that file every record separated with the comma. That's why I am giving terminated by comma. So first we'll create that internal table. The main difference is internal table, if you drop the table, no, so entire data also it will be dropped along with the table. That is the whenever you want to drop the data, when if you drop the table, that time will go for internal table. Let me create this internal table. Okay, so table structure has been created, and we'll load that table using load data local in path. Local y means my file is available in the same system desktop folder, so I am giving local mode. So table has been created. We'll see select star from emp internal, so we can see the data. Okay, now so if you create a Hive table, internal table, it will be stored in the HDFS default path, that is user Hive warehouse. Okay, if you go here HDFS user HDFS DFS user Hive warehouse and database name, if you go there, you can see the employee table data here. Okay, this is the Hive default location, user Hive warehouse. This is important question in the interviews. What is the Hive default location in HDFS? User Hive warehouse. Whatever table all the tables, Hive tables, internal tables will come and sit in this path in a HDFS location. Okay, so if you see here, sorry, so all the data you can see there. Where is that? So if you see here, emp internal. This is the, in this path it will be there, and once you drop the table, no, once you drop, what will happen? The table also, the data will be dropped. So now I am dropping internal table, drop table emp internal. So if you go there, you cannot see the full data in the in this path. So entire data will be lost whenever you don't you want this kind of requirement. So if you want to if you drop the table, along with the table entire data folder in the HDFS path, if you don't want, that time will go for internal table. See, now internal table has been demuted. This is the purpose of internal table. By default, if you are not mentioning anything, it is an internal table. Okay. So external table. So external table is always it will point to the external location. Okay. So you will create external table using external keyword. Create external table, table name, all the columns, same thing. And but what is the difference between, okay, what is the difference between internal and external is, so this is the table creation script, external table in the create external table, database name, table name. Okay, table name will give mp5. So again columns, employee number, name, let me arrange in this way, you can easily understand. Let create external table. Okay, row format using serdi property. This is the command syntax, row format serdi. Serdi means serialization, right? So there we will use this package open csv serdi. So we are creating a external Hive external table based on a csv file, right? So we will use this serdi. Or we have for each separate each type of file we have different type of serdis. For csv we will use this serdi, arg apache dot hadoop dot hive dot serdi to open csv serdi with serdi properties, separator character equal to comma, because my csv file has been separated with comma, that's why we are giving separator characters comma, stored as a text file internally in this location HDFS path. This file will be stored as a text file. Okay, this is a complete path I am giving. Location, where is that my we have to point to some this external table means the name itself it is indicating that for external directory we are creating table. Okay, so we have to location, for location we have to pass HDFS directory. Okay, in that directory we have to pass that one. So table property script header line dot count equal to true. So how many in the file first line will be header, right? If you don't want to load as that headers, that time you can skip that using this command. So for now I don't have header, but first line will be it will be skipped, because first line using skip header I am giving one means first line will be skipped while without from the loading into a table. Okay. So emp5 I will give. Okay, emp5. So this is a Hive external table syntax. Okay, I am creating Hive external table. emp5 already exist. Okay, drop table emp5. So table has been created. Now we'll see select star from emp5. No data is there because we are pointing to this Hadoop path, HDFS path, but in this path we don't have any files. Okay, we have to load now. Okay, so how to load? I am using Hive Hadoop user experience. If what is Hive means, you have to you have to watch my previous video, Hive introduction. Hive I have explained there. So if you want to upload some files into HDFS using Hive also we can do files. Okay. So this path only I am pointing. EMP5, right? So user Cloudera EMP5, same path only, right? I am using. Okay, user Cloudera EMP, same. So here we have to upload. So now upload button, files, select files, EMP CSV, open. So EMP CSV uploaded successfully. Okay. Now if you go under query, data has been loaded, because if it is external table is pointing to one directory, if directory has file, that file will be shown as a table output. If there is no file, means empty table. So one more advantage is, in real time why we will use external table is, so suppose there is a in Hive DML will not be there, maybe latest version of Hive DML allows, but it is not recommended to use insert update delete in from the Hive, because it is a Hive is a warehouse that we will use to store data, create data warehouse in Hadoop environment. That's why DML operations are not recommended in Hive. So there is a requirement. So I have a Hive table and I have to update that table. So what you can do is, you can create external table directly. You can, if you update that CSV file, automatically the table will be updated. Okay. Now we'll see how to do that. Now currently if you see, Martin salary is Martin salary is 1250. Martin salary is 1250. I want to make it as 10,000. Okay, how to do that? So if it is create external table, no, directly you can open that. So first we have to change that permissions of this table. CSS file we have to change the permissions. So now if I open, so I want to change Martin salary 1250, right? We have, if you want to edit any file in Hive, edit file. So 1250 I want to update with 10,000. Okay. Now save. So successfully saved. Now you go and query the data. Previously 1250. Now we'll see. Now data has been updated to 10,000. Likewise, whenever you want to update some frequently one table in Hive, that time we'll go for a Hive external table. This is very important, and that's why we'll use in real time Hive external table only. Most of the scenarios, if you are pointing your file is available in HDFC path, some directory, and on top of that you want to create some table, that is nothing but a Hive external table. That is the syntax. Okay. So using a CSV is ready, we will create a Hive external table. So if you delete that table in Hive, so nothing will happen. That file will always available in the external path. Only structure will be deleted. That is the main difference. So this is all about internal and external tables in Hive. And thanks for watching this video.